Hello my dear creators and welcome back to my tutorial classes. I'd like to launch a series of assembling this beautiful flower topiary. There are several types of flowers here, as you may have noticed, so I will divide this tutorial into several parts. Today I'm going to show you how to make a poppy flower. I've already prepared the necessary pieces of paper, so you need different colors of paper. The main color, the red color of the flower, green colors for the middle part of it. For this flower, you need crepe paper, glue, aluminium foil. All the measurements are approximate, so if you need flowers of different sizes, you may vary them. For the middle part of the flower, it's better to use black color for a more classic version, but I didn't have it at hand. You need to form a ball from the foil. When assembling the flower, remember that the petals should go in 2 lines for a more fluffier look. Thanks for watching. Give thumbs up if you like this tutorial. See you soon.